have all woken up in the morning to some crusty gunk in our eyes. It's a natural function in our eyes, and this crust has a purpose. But at the same time, it may also signal a problem. Today's video will discuss why your eyes get crusty when you sleep. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Why it commonly appears? 1. It's because our eyes stay closed all night. When you are asleep, this crust builds up in the corner of your eyes and sometimes even along the lash line. They appear because your eyes don't get its lubricate themselves like they do whenever you blink. 2. It's a necessary component of good eye health. The eye discharge or sleep in your eyes can be wet and sticky or dry and crusty. They come from your eyes tear film, which is secreted when you blink, and that keeps your eyes lubricated. These are also your body's defenses mechanisms that protect your eye from things like bacteria. Why it leads to complications? 1. You have dry eyes. Dry eyes commonly happen when you are looking at your phone or computer screen for a long period. Even when you are in an air-conditioned place, your eyes don't get enough of the tears that should be lubricating them, and it might be affect your eye crust with a stinging feeling. 2. You are not removing eye crust often enough. When you wake up from sleeping, you might be in the routine of immediately checking your phone or maybe picking up your toothbrush, but you should actually be removing those boogers in your eyes first. One important step to remove them the right way is to dampen a washcloth or use warm water, which will also effectively eliminate all the crusts. 3. Your eyes may be infected. If you are seeing these eye boogers often, this is not normal. Each person has a unique situations with this gunk. You probably want to call a doctor if you are not sick and see if there are signs of an eye infections. Do you notice your eye being crusty after you sleep? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.